Just as people want to be a good son, a good father, a good brother, a good teacher, and overall, people want to be a good human being and a good citizen of their country. Similarly, every Muslim desires to be a good Muslim, and they strive and make efforts for this. Some people think that if I continue to serve humanity and help God's creatures, then I am a good Muslim. Some believe that if I practice generosity properly with my lawful and hard-earned money, spend it in the way of God, then this is a sign of my being a good Muslim. Some people think that I should pray on time. Give zakat on time, perform Hajj immediately when it becomes obligatory, and if Allah grants me the opportunity to perform Umrah repeatedly, then I am a good Muslim. We have heard people say that since I do not harm anyone and no one is troubled because of me, my demeanor is cautious, so I am an excellent Muslim. So, according to their own calculations, people determine that I am a good Muslim. Why not ask Allah's Quran who the best Muslim is? And who is the true Muslim? And who are those believers whom Allah says are truly the believers? These are the true believers. In Surah Al-Anfal, Allah Almighty has stated, "Indeed, the believers are those who, when Allah is mentioned, their hearts tremble, and when His verses are recited to them, it increases them in faith, and upon their Lord they rely." He said, "Those are the true believers. They are indeed the faithful. When Allah is mentioned, their hearts tremble." The first sign of them is that at the mention of the Master, due to the greatness and majesty of Allah, their hearts tremble. And when His verses are recited to them, it increases their faith and strengthens it. And their third sign is that they only rely on their Lord. The fourth sign of steadfast and true believers is that they establish prayer correctly. And from what we have provided them, they spend in our way. Then understand again, it was said that the believers are those whose hearts tremble when Allah is mentioned. When the verses of Allah are recited, when the Quran is read, their faith increases. They rely on their Lord, perform prayer correctly, and spend from what we have provided them in our way. 5 signs in which they are found, Allah says, these are the true believers. These are the real Muslims. O Allah, these 5 tasks have been accomplished by these people. They've adhered to these 5 tasks. These 5 qualities, these 5 attributes have been developed within them. Your announcement has been made that these are the true believers. So what will they receive? So what will you grant them? The generous Lord has said, I will give them 3 rewards. If they develop these 5 attributes within themselves, then 3 rewards will be given to them. The first reward is that they will have ranks with their Lord. Their ranks are with their Lord. For them are ranks with their Lord, meaning Allah will grant them honor in this world and honor in the hereafter. They will receive ranks. In this world, Allah, the Exalted, will grant them dignity, respect, honor, greatness, elevation, and high status. And in the hereafter, the 5 attributes in which they are found will first grant them the honor that their ranks will be elevated before Allah, and secondly, it is stated, and forgiveness, and Allah will also grant them forgiveness. They will receive elevation of ranks and forgiveness, and a noble provision. And they will not have to earn a disgraceful livelihood. Allah will grant them a dignified sustenance. This is a beautiful word, and very meaningful, and very understandable. You should reflect on this, that they will be given a dignified sustenance. It was stated, for them are ranks with their Lord, and forgiveness, and a noble provision.